Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about prepping a vehicle when you're going through the Channel Tunnel to go down into Europe. Obviously I've made it onto the Channel Tunnel, I haven't had any delays, so clearly this happened before Brexit. Anyway, this video is going to be all about prepping your car, getting everything ready for when you're traveling down, and I'm going to show you the bits that you need to make sure you have and give you some examples of how you apply them. So stay tuned for this quick video on getting everything prepped while you're going away. So here we have the AA Driver's Guide to Driving in Europe, and the really handy piece that comes with this driver's guide is it tells you exactly what you need to bring with you, exactly what you need to take. So we're just going to take a little look at it. As you can see on here, it is a grid of all the different countries and all of the different requirements you need, and a little key on the right. Now we're going to be focusing on the requirements for France, because France is actually the one that requires the most amount of things when you are away. And here are all the different bits that you need. Number one, you need to have motor insurance and have it with you. Number two is a GB sticker, or alternatively you need to make sure that your number plate is a European standard that has a GB allocation already on it. I like to use the secondary sticker even though mine's already got one. You might wish to too. Number three is headlight deflectors. Now some of you might think that you don't need these if you're traveling in the daytime. However, actually you do. The reason you do is there's actually a recommendation that daytime headlights are used pretty much all of the time, and any times you have your lights on you need headlight deflectors. Again, you might want to check, because depending on which country you go to, it's actually compulsory that you have your lights on even throughout the day. So headlight deflectors is a must. Number four is the warning triangle. You must have one of these in your car with you at all times. Next is high-vis vest. Now one of the other things you need to do is make sure you have a high-vis vest for every person that's in your car, but more importantly you must make sure that you've got a high-vis vest that you can gain access to without getting out of your car. So key one here, if you get stopped by the police you have to put it on before you get out of the car to go and speak to them, so no point putting it in the boot. And yes, last bit, you're required to carry your own breathalyzer kits, 2 of them in fact. So must always keep 2 in the car at all times, and they do go out of date, so just check them and make sure you've got one that is in date, because the police may stop you and ask you to use it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.